Hi friends, welcome to our channel. I am a civil engineer and also Vastu consultant. Today we are going to see east facing plot and east facing house plan. The plot area is 27 feet bar 50 feet. The area of site is 1350 square feet. Then the building size is 22.75 feet bar 45 feet. The built up area is 1046 square feet. The budget is around 20 lakhs. In this plan we have provided portico for single car parking, then hall cum dining, master bedroom, small bedroom, both attached toilets, single puja room, kitchen with attached storeroom. The size of the rooms are: hall cum dining is 17 feet bar 11 feet, portico 11 feet bar 16.75 feet, bedroom 10 feet bar 11 feet, master bedroom is 10.25 feet bar 17 feet, then kitchen size is 10 feet bar 8 feet, storeroom 3.75 feet bar 5 feet 6 inches, puja room is 3 feet 7 inches bar 5 feet. Then toilets both are in same size, 5 feet bar 5 feet 6 inches. And in this plan we have provided outer steps in southeast corner. We have planned according to Vastu Shastra. In northeast corner we have provided this main entrance, and in southeast corner we have provided this kitchen slab. Then in southwest corner we have provided master bedroom, and in northwest corner we have provided a toilet room. The main door size is 5 feet by 7 feet. In hall we have provided 2 windows, one is 5 feet and another one is 4 feet. In kitchen we have provided 2 windows. The sizes of the windows is 4 feet bar 3 feet 6 inches. Store and in toilets we have provided ventilator size is 2 feet 6 inches bar 2 feet. In master bedroom we have provided 2 windows, 4 feet bar 4 feet, and in this small bedroom we have provided 4 feet bar 4 feet single window. Then according to this Vastu Shastra, we for the steps area we have to go in clockwise direction, not in anti-clockwise direction. And we have provided 6 inches riser for the steps. Then in this portico northeast corner we have provided some tank in this area, and then septic tank we have provided in steps below area in this southeast corner. And then one important point is we cannot provide outer toilet in this southeast corner area. Why means kitchen and outer toilet could not touch in the same wall. If we give any gap means we can provide it. In between this wall to this toilet we can give a gap and we can use it. If no gap means according to Vastu it is wrong. Then main entrance gate is we have provided in this 2 pillars gap northeast corner. In this corner we should not provide on this southeast corner. Then setback we have provided front side 3 feet 6 inches and back side 1 feet 6 inches. Then south side is 1 feet 6 inches and north side 2 feet 9 inches. According to Vastu Shastra, north and east side the spaces should be more, and in south and west side the space should be lesser. Then the surround walls are in 9 inches wall, main walls are in 9 inches, and also these partition walls are in 4.5 inches wall. These cedar walls are partition walls. If any doubts means ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching friends. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.